All right, hey, welcome to our little lesson today. Today we're going to try to teach you how to multiply a couple binomials together, or some different, I guess we could say multiplying different polynomials. But we're going to start off by showing you how to multiply two binomials. So we have a phrase here, a binomial 2x plus 4, and we're going to multiply it by another binomial called 5x minus 3. So we have two binomials multiplying, or being multiplied together. Now, to figure this out, great mathematician minds like me have come up with a little phrase called FOIL, which stands for first, outer, inner, last. First, outer, inner, last, FOIL. And this is just a little quick reminder to help you remember to multiply all the different parts together when we multiply these binomials together. This will make a little more sense to you once I kind of draw it out. So for FOIL, the F stands for first. So we're going to multiply the two first terms of the binomials. So we're going to multiply the 2x by the 5x. Okay? That's the first. Then we have to do the outer terms. So we take the outer term of this binomial, 2x, and multiply it by the outer term in this binomial, which is negative 3. Then for the inner, the I, we'll multiply the two inside terms. So the inside term is the positive 4 times this 5x. And then we do the last terms. We'll take the positive 4 and we'll multiply it by the negative 3. Okay, so there's four things that you have to multiply together, and you can kind of follow the arrows to kind of find your way. Start off with the first term in this binomial, then multiply it by each of the terms in the second binomial, and then take the second term in this binomial and multiply it by each of the terms in the second binomial. So four things, first, outer, inner, last. Alright, so when we multiply it out, here's what we get. Okay, this will be the answer. So we do 2x times 5x first. Well, 2 times 5 is 10. X times x is x squared. So I get 10x squared. And you're going to kind of understand that this means squared because I don't have a squared button on my keyboard right now. Alright, so 10x squared. And then we do 2x times negative 3. 2x times negative 3 is minus 6x. So minus 6x. Then we'll do the inner terms. 4 times 5x. 4 times 5x is positive 20x. And then we'll do the last term, 4 times negative 3. 4 times negative 3 is minus 12. So there is my four terms, my F for my first, my O for outers, the I for inners, and the L for last. 10x squared minus 6x plus 20x minus 12. Now we can do one more thing, and maybe you figured that out, and that's we can combine and simplify like terms. So in this situation, negative 6x and the positive 20x here can be combined into one new simple term. And so if we write that out the simplified way, we'll still get 10x squared, but negative 6x plus 20x combined together to give you positive 14x. And the minus 12 will stay there, so minus 12. And there is your final answer, and you've just FOILed your first polynomial expression.